Welcome to Zenyo Payroll. In this video, we'll see the process of the settlement module, which helps to settle the final settlement after an employee is terminated or processes payroll for an employee who is skipped in the payroll process. I hope you have watched the estimated tax sheet video. If you've not, I recommend you watch it. You'll find the video link in the description. Go to Settlement, click on New Settlement. Enter the employee name and pay period and click on Start Settlement. This page shows the compensation information and loans and advances details of this particular employee. You may add the LOP days and the overtime day. Now click Start Process. Now choose the payment method. It can be cash, check or bank. In case of check, mention the check number. If you choose bank, add the bank information. Click Start Process. Now your payroll has been completed successfully and you can submit for process and click Proceed after resolving issues if any. To resolve issues, just click on the issue name and make the necessary changes. Once you're done, click on Proceed. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.